And finally from us, a teacher whose failed science experiment went viral has had the last laugh after winning a top award for his dedication in getting more primary school pupils interested in STEM subjects.
Stuart Naismith, who teaches at Gartcosh Primary School in North Lanarkshire, uses YouTube and TikTok videos to share his creative experiments. Now they've caught the attention of experts from the Royal Society of Chemistry. Courtney Cameron reports.
Right, so let's see what happens when I pour the acetone straight on to the head.
He amazes his pupils on a daily basis, but now Stuart Naismith has wowed them even more. With the news, he's been given a top award.
I'm very proud of him. I think he's quite good.
I think it's 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers. He should have way more. He's like the best science YouTuber ever.
He should be like earning money and stuff.
Yeah.
Like, he's really good.
I feel like that makes like the school more famous.
Hello and welcome to STEM with Mr. N.
Mr. Naismith uses a range of YouTube and TikTok videos to try and engage his pupils in STEM subjects. This video went viral last year after one of his experiments went wrong.
There's now children in the school saying that their friends don't believe that I'm their teacher because they've seen me on TikTok. It's a nice turnaround from being that sort of fall guy where something went wrong and people are having a good laugh to now actually being like achieving as well. So that did go wrong, but the payoff for it is people are getting more engaged, and to win the award as well for doing all of these things, it makes it all worthwhile.
Despite having no background in science, Mr. Naismith was inspired by one of his university lecturers to get children involved in STEM from as young an age as possible.
The young people who have been exposed in primary, some even in nursery, come into secondary with an enthusiasm and a desire to continue.
With scientific developments playing a crucial role in tackling climate change, Mr. Naismith hopes his fun experiments will leave a lasting legacy. Courtney Cameron, STV News, Gartcosh.